What's up, YouTube? Forgot to do a little update on everything. Got the fire going. It was raining for the past 2 days, so I had to finally come out here and do something. I'm gonna paint the rear fenders today. Before I got the wood stove going. Yeah, I got a air pipe top of it. Where the heat travels up and goes in my building. Takes a little bit to get warm in there, but I'd rather feed the fire all day long until about 4 o'clock, and should be pretty warm in there. This is my mowing lawnmower. Ain't done no work to that yet. Still ain't put the battery back in. But on the front wheels on this thing, the skinny ones I'm going to use, I would have to take 3/4 of an inch off of it, off the round shaft itself, and couldn't have done it. I would have had to cut the welds out of it with the wheels attached. So I found 2 regular wheels. I just got to get tires for them, so that's what I'm going to use. And I was hunting some parts. I think I pretty much got everything I got. That's for the clutch. Front and brake lever. My spring. That's my battery hold down, so is that one. Somehow or another I want to get that on shifter. But it just slides right in there, so I don't know. So I don't know how I'm going to figure that one out. There ain't too much going on. Yeah, letting the coals burn a little bit because it's starting to get full. If I add any more wood to it, let's go in the shop. Hey, look at it out here. No sun, no nothing. So I got the rear fenders in here. I got to spray some white primer on them. That right there. And there's my black. Well, it's throwing in pretty good, so it shouldn't scratch. Yeah, here's my wheels I found. Can't get them to seal. And I'm working on my off-road lawnmower. I had that on it before, trying to keep the belt tight. It didn't work because that made a lot of racket. Because I think he was using what I got, and I got to somehow or another get that on there where it turns. Got the idea from Phyllis Front. But I'm gonna try to mess with that a little bit today. Let's get that thing going. Found me a transmission, $40. I just gotta go pick it up whenever, probably this weekend. So pretty much it. Found me a starter for $25. He just gotta bring it to me because it comes to a turkey shoot. Not too much else going on. And that's the fans that suck the heat in. Without them on, still get a bunch of heat. Just a small update. Yeah, that's when I was messing around one day. See, I ain't got a very big shop, but think about taking this out and extending it across the header. Then put another 2-4 here. Make me a custom door and have where I can get a lawnmower in here. So I gotta keep the off-road lawnmower outside. Yeah, I'll show it to you. You can barely see it, but they're sitting by the stairs. There's water laying everywhere. Can't really go riding, even though I got mud everywhere, but seats wet and pretty much. And in the process of building a wall in the house, because we just installed a new shower. So I started cutting the wood up for it. Just got to nail it all together. Yeah, that's going to take time. But that's about it for this update. But I'll make another video after I get this primer painted, because I can't. I'm on the phone, so I can't record onto another video. So, alright, YouTubers. Just talk to you later.